Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you comment, and you also subscribe to this channel. I share entertainment news and celebrity gossip. Today guys, we are talking about uAmahle Biela. So it seems like there's trouble in paradise between uAmahle Biela and Umpumelelo Mseleko. Judging by the post that she recently made on TikTok, it does look suspicious, it really does look suspicious. So this is Amahle Biela and Mpumelelo Mseleko. Amahle Biela is Mpumelelo Mseleko's first wife. Then there's Utirelo that we all know, from social media. Amahle is not that much to social media, she tries to keep, I don't know, herself reserved, or maybe that's just her personality. But she recently made a post on TikTok. She posted a video and just nje wabhala a caption, and that caption spiked nje suspicions between the people. This is the video that she posted. She wrote, "I wish I was a boy ngihambe ngilala ngibe nezintombi eziningi bese ngicasha ngokuthi ngifuna isithembu mase ngiba iqonqela lomfana elingaphani imali." Now, guys, can we just take a moment and appreciate the beauty, Sana? Like, she is so gorgeous. Amahle is so gorgeous. She looks so beautiful. So it was a video and there was a song in the background, and this was the caption. And then people started to say, is there trouble in paradise between Amahle Biela and Umpumelelo Mseleko? And is she implying that Umpumelelo does not even give them money? Because Sana, if you want to get married, you must be prepared to spend money. Akere, when you said you are old enough to get married, so you must spend money on your wives. At least Tuterelo, she is doing campaigns, she's getting campaigns, she's also getting paid, like I think on Facebook. So she, at least she has, her source of income. I'm not sure about Amahle though. Maybe now she does have her other source of income because she does dress well, hair is always right. But nje she is implying good our son, our husband doesn't give us money. And also it also looks like she is not happy with the arrangement. Yes, Tembu Sana, because she even said ukuthi, I wish I was a boy so that ngizocasha ngokuthi I want isithembu. Kanti no, I just want to be a Jonasi, you know? So she is implying that Umpumelelo Mseleko is a Jonasi hiding behind saying that na ufuna isithembu and all of that. And one thing about isithembu, guys, you need to have money because Sana, you must try to keep up with your children, you must keep up with your wives, you must also take care of your wives, Sana. And Umpumelelo is always choosing amabedi, like people that are always like on point, so he needs to maintain that. So nje Amahle Biela is not happy with the financial situation. Amahle Biela is not happy with the changing of girls and hiding behind Isitembu, because what the heck is a 20-something-year-old doing with Isitembu if he cannot afford it? Like, why? It does seem like she regrets getting into this arrangement, yes, Tembo, because people have been saying that she doesn't look happy, man. Even in their pictures, there's also a video of Izingane's Tembo, a trailer that they were doing. People were also complaining on that video that no, man, Amahle Biela does not look happy, or maybe it's her personality or something, but she doesn't look happy and bubbly, and she is not touchy sana with the husband. So we don't know, maybe it's her personality, or maybe really she is not happy with the whole arrangement. But yo sana, ziyakhala, and zikhala sekulate because kuthiwa phela allegedly a girl has a child already, but she is denying the fact that they have a child nompumelelo. But zikhala sekulate sana, zikhala sekulate. Anyway guys, please leave a comment in the comment section.